Alright guys, good afternoon and welcome back to another episode of Spokes and Pedals. I got another DIY project for you. It's very simple. All you have to do is have an old pair of pants, preferably jeans because they're the toughest. So what you're going to do is you're going to take and cut out the pocket. Leave about an inch and a half, maybe an inch, right here to use for a belt loop. So what we're going to do is you're going to cut this out. Don't cut the seams, okay? Leave these intact. And what you're going to do is take about whatever width your belt is and cut slots on each side right there, okay? Other than that, it's about done. Now, to preserve it and to make it look cool or to add some flair to it, what you're going to do is you're going to take some Rust-Oleum paint. I use flat black because that's what I like. It's non-glossy. It doesn't get anything dirty, stuff like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to shake this up really good and spray paint both sides, front and back. Not the inside. Don't do the inside. Don't do the inside, guys. I repeat. Just do front and back. Let it dry completely, and we'll get back to you. So as you guys can see, it is now complete dry, and like I said, it's dry. I didn't paint the inside, which I told you not to. Alright, so now we have completed the first process, painting the one side with spray paint, and we're going to move on to the second part. It's dry and it's ready to be moved on to phase 2, which is the back side. Yeah. All right, we're back, and we've given it adequate time to dry and be safe to touch. So we're going to show you what it looks like now. So here it is, all dry, all clean, all spray painted. So what you're going to do is now you're going to put your belt through these loops, okay? And then you're going to attach it onto your pants, whatever, and then insert your lock into it like so. What you're going to do is you're going to take your lock. It works better with the small ones. And you're just going to stick it in there like so. Okay?